Hello guys, so this is a National Museum in Manila with my laboratory. Hello. Look at those 3 statues. Let's go. Oh my gosh, look at those paints. Let's go to the next room. Oh, an elevator. There's elevator in the museum. Wow. This place is so cool. There's an aircon over here.
Ayun po, pumasok na sila. Itanong ka lang na.
Yung lagi nadadaanan, yung Bonifacio Monument sa Caloocan. Pagbilang ng monumento doon, siya gumawa. So meron tayong gallery dito, nandiyan pa yung mga ibang gawa ni Guillermo Gallery. Ready? Bago kayo umikot, gusto ko munang i-explain sa inyo ang isang painting. Itong painting na to ang pinaka-highlight ng inyong tour dito sa National Museum.
Wow, guys. Look at these old paintings. It's so cool. Wow. Looks so brilliant. So many paintings here.
Mahilig sa painting kasi. Ano mo yung mag-drawing?
Gusto ko i-display yung painting mo dyan. Oh, ganda.
Look, a big paint. Looks so brilliant. Okay, we're in the National Library. Wow. Later, guys.
Welcome to the National Library of the Philippines. I am Ate Melay for inspiration. Yung kanta ko po. Okay po. Sige po. Teachers and employees po ba ng CDA po? Okay lang po ba na sa gilid? And then the students, can you please sit down? Then cross your legs. Okay, thank you so much.
Sino mali? Sino mali?